Mula Batanes hanggang Holo, saan ka man napanig ng mundo. 1,000, isang tuwa, request mo na.
Here!
Eto na!
Eto na, walang humpay na ano to. Wala nang humpay na
Eto
pahinga.
na yun!
Wala nang pahinga to.
It's the much-awaited moment for the Queens sa lahat ng tumutok. Napahanga sa kanila at naging part ng kanilang journey.
Correct.
Yes, and finally makikilala na ang mag-uuwi ng 500,000 pesos at magiging first dancing queen ng Eat Bulaga.
Alam nyo, the present rin ang pamilya nila dito at mga supporters nila handang mag-cheer para sa kanila.
Yes!
Ang pinakamalakas daw sumigaw, doon mapupunta yung corona!
Nasa criteria pala. Kasama ang audience.
Yan yung mga nakalaban nila. Pero nandito ngayon, nakasupport sila sa lahat.
Yes!
Hashtag support. O, ito sila Marites, sila Manang Yoli.
Yes!
Sige nga, patingin nga ng mga supporters ni Mahanap-hanapin.
Ay, ang dami! Ay, ang supporter si Mahakit-Akit ng Bulacan! Oh, ang dami rin!
Apat lang.
Supporters naman ni Mahalipayan ng Bohol.
Ay!
Hindi na dito sa side namin.
Parang,
Dahil
parang sila rin lahat.
O, patingin naman ang mga supporters ni Mahadayaw ng Davao.
Teka.
Eto talaga, supporters ni Mahappiness ng Caloocan! Talaga. Ayun na.
Yan yung mga grupo ng hashtag baka naman.
Support sa lahat.
Thank you, Marites. Grabe, ramdam na ramdam ang love dito sa APT Studios, di ba, Ate Sis?
Totoo ka dyan, baby sis. Pero before sila mag-costume and before we proceed to the finals, chikahin pa natin ang ating mga queens ng very, very light.
Ito. Dabarkads, we bring back on the EV stage the 5 grand finalists of Dancing Queen! Tania Hibunan, ang mahanap-hanapin ng Rizal.
From Bulacan, here's Trixie Kunag, a.k.a. Mahakit Akit.
Don't stop, keep it moving, put your drinks up. Tonight we gon' get it on the
Representing Bohol and the Visayas, Madison Rain Lucido, a.k.a. Mahalipayan!
From Mindanao, Muwagayaw, ang Mahadayaw ng Davao!
From Caloocan City, Jemje Maria Lopez, a.k.a. Mahappiness.
Dabarkads, our 5 grand finalists!
Very queen naman ang ating mga queens. Ang elegante ng datingan.
At sobrang gwapa nilang tanan. Gwapa kaayos sila, oy. Ang ilang gown, maganda. Maganda. Ibig sabihin nun maganda. Sobrang ganda-ganda nila. Yes, Bisaya! Go!
Sumasagot sa likod.
Grabe yung supporta nila dito. Pero kasi tayo, mga friends, sanay tayo, nakikita sila ng naka-costumes and naka-dance outfit, di ba? Kaya ngayon,
Oo nga.
pa-andor sa gown.
Yeah, lakas makamerengue nung ikot niya kanina, di ba? Yun. Pero mamaya, dancing warriors na sila, Dapper Cats. Kaya ngayon, kausapin muna natin ang ating mga queens. Friends!
Eto na nga.
Yun o. Hi, mga queens!
Hello. Good afternoon, Dapper Cats.
Kamusta kayo?
Okay naman po.
Gusto nyo ba ituloy pa natin to?
Nag-gown na ng ganito eh. Tapos hindi ito.
Baka
Shoutout po na kayo sa mga supporters nyo. Mahanap-hanapin.
Hello po sa lahat ng mga taga-Taytay Rizal dyan at hello po sa boyfriend ko, sa pinsan ko, at sa
Ay,
brother ko.
hello.
Hello po, thank you po sa pagpunta.
Ay, under boyfriend.
Nandito ang boyfriend.
Grand finalist na may boyfriend pa. Itumba na yan!
At hindi lang yung boyfriend, naka-dextrose pa kanina yan.
Uy, ano ba? Mahakit-akit.
Hello po sa mga taga-Bulacan po dyan and also Pulileños. And shoutout po sa mga sponsor ng Gown Con, kay Tita Maylin Rustia po, tsaka sa sponsor po ng costume namin sa Bay Barangay. Hello po.
Yes. Mahalipayon.
Malipayon.
Maayong udto dira sa syudad sa Sugbo ug mga taga Bohol. Maayong udto sa tanan, sukol mahalipayon og man,
Ayun,
yaka na
oh.
diri og akong mga igagaw.
Ano ibig sabihin ng sukol?
Laban.
Laban.
Very good.
Mahadayaw.
Mahadayaw.
Maayong udto Dabarkas dira sa Davao City ug sa Mindanao. Hello. Naana ko diri sa Grand Final. Kaya, tsaka binabati ko yung jowa ko tsaka dalawang best friend.
Ay, ito pa.
talaga yan.
Ay, Diyos ko.
Na lumipad talaga from Davao City. Ayan, enjoy lang kayo guys.
Tara, isa sila dumapo. Si Ma-Happiness naman, go.
Hello, mga Dapper Cats! Ayan, binabati ko yung mga supporters ko from Camarines, North Caloocan City, and also sa Mandana and Morante family from Pangasinan and Bicol. Hello sa inyo, mga kababayan, mga pamilya.
Ang gaganda ng mga outfit niya. Sinong gumawa?
Yung sa akin po is sponsored by GRM, Ate Princess Rivera.
Ay, yung si Ate Princess nasa loob.
Actually, sinuot po ito ni
Ano yan?
Venus Ra.
Ang tawag dyan, imbudo.
Yes. Sinuot ni Venus Ra.
Talaga ba?
So
Ay, grabe ka.
Ayan, akin naman po, thank you so much kay Miss RC Tolentino for this wonderful gown.
Thank you. Ikaw, Mahalipayan.
Sa akin naman po, thank you so much to Mami Kit Bacayo, one of the best designers in Cebu.
Yes.
Thank you for allowing me wearing my beautiful and elegant gown.
Mahakit-akit.
Sponsor lang po siya. Maraming salamat po sa tita ko, Tita Maylin Rustia. I love you so much po.
First time mo magganyan.
Yes po kayo, sobrang hirap talaga.
Halata, may mga buhok-buhok pa yan.
Ano ba? Siyempre, medyo sumasayo sila kanina. Mahanap-hanapin.
Thank you so much po kay Mami Olsen and kay Nay Bunso from Muzon, from Taytay Rizal. Thank you so much po.
Eto na.
Oh, ayan. Maraming salamat din kay Yani for mahakit.
Kuya Jose.
Ay, syempre.
Jose.
Maraming salamat kay Keeper. Keeper, thank you sa...
Ano si Reaper?
Hindi yung Keeper na yan. Si Keeper yung aking designer. No?
Wow!
Thank you
my
very much.
designer.
Bayaran ko na lang Gcash.
Uy. Wow! Eto mga dancing queens, bago kayo sumabak sa matinding sayawan mamaya, bibigyan pa namin kayo ng chance na ipakilala ang sarili ninyo sa mundo. Alright? Each of you will be given 30 seconds to tell the Dapper Cats what you want them to know about you. Ito yung mga hindi pa namin alam, yung hindi nyo pa nasasabi sa TV.
Yun na nga.
Kasi pag nasabi nyo, sampal.
Kaya
Dari.
nung nakaraan, nung isang araw, sinabi namin sa kanya, ano pa ba yung mga hindi pa namin na
Yes,
itatanong
oo.
sa inyo?
Or
At hindi
ano yung-
namin alam.
Ano yung gusto nilang sabihin about themselves? Sa
Bawal
ating mga
magbanta,
Dapper Cats.
Walang pagbabanta to.
At saka bawal din mag-copy-paste.
Okay. Alam mo na.
Meron lang kayong 30 seconds, okay? Pag lumampas sa 30 seconds...
Paano?
Walang ganun.
Paano?
Alright, umpisahan natin si Mahanap-hanapin.
Hanapin.
Dito sa gitna. Yan. Parang sasabihin mo, sino si Mahanap-hanapin?
Yan.
Ganon.
Si mahanap-hanapin ay...
Your 30 seconds, bukas pa.
Ngayon
Hindi,
na.
ngayon na. Starts now.
Si Mahanap-hanapin po is all you know is first weekly winner po siya from Toxic Challenge. At ngayon po, simula't una, lumalaban siya hanggang ngayong Grand Finals dahil napatunayan ko sa sarili ko na kaya kong lumaban hanggang huli. Thank you so much.
Uy.
Ay, may natira pang ilang
Yes,
seconds.
that's what we call under time.
Under time. Maraming
Okay.
salamat. Ayun,
Thank
10,
you.
9. Maraming
May
salamat.
oras pa.
Mahanap
Thank you.
Makakit-akit.
Makakit-akit. Ready ka na. Kailangan walang kulang sa oras. ha?
Your timer starts now.
Si Makakit-Akit naman. Sino nga po ba si Makakit-Akit? Si Makakit-Akit lamang po ay simpleng tao naghahangad lang po ng kasayahan na hindi niya po naranasan nung pagkabata niya. At si Makakit-Akit po ay patuloy pong lumalaban at tumatayo at kokoronahang bilang first ever dancing queen.
Ano pa? Ano yung kinakain mo nung bata ka?
Ano yung favorite food mo, mga ganon.
Sobra.
Ah, wala na.
Ay, wala na.
Hanggang doon lang. Oh,
Alright, maraming salamat. Makakit-akit. Next,
Mga dapat kasi hindi kasi nila alam magkakaroon ng ganitong question sa kanila. So, hindi man sila prepare, pero pinapakita naman.
Yes, ganyan sa pageant, syempre.
Ganun ba doon sa pageant?
Yes.
Ay, eto na yan.
Mahalipayon. Your 30 seconds, go.
Mahalipayon is a proud transgender woman who is the breadwinner of the family. And I'm encouraging our trans community that be proud of yourself. You are unique. Chin up and be proud. I am the queen who is not just know how to construct the criticism and also acceptance and unity. Is more about being a queen dancing with an art of love and acceptance.
Taray, dancing
sakto,
queen
ha?
na, construction worker pa.
Hindi! Ibig sabihin ng contract, ano nga yun?
Construct.
Oh, ano ibig sabihin?
It's not just about being, being struck to, but to construct acceptance and unity.
Yes.
Yes.
Alright,
Galing.
maraming
Di ko-
salamat. Mahalipayon.
Uy, sakto sa oras, ha?
Sakto, ha?
Yung
Fairness.
dalawa, minus 5,000
minus.
pesos.
Thank you, Mahalipayon. Next, Mahadayaw. Your 30 seconds starts now.
Go.
Si Mahadayaw ay isang batang matapang na full of dreams. Si Mahadayaw ay pinalaki ng magulang ng maayos at elementary pa lang, disiplinado na dahil sa pagiging atleta. At ngayon, nandito sa inyong harapan, lumalaban para makuha ang unang korona ng Dancing Queen. At inaalay ko ito sa lahat ng taong sumusuporta sa akin, lalo na sa aking magulang na nagpalaki sa akin. Ayun lang po, para sa'yo ito, Ma.
Ang galing, sakto,
sakto, ha?
rin, ha? Nakakatakot, ha?
Yung
Sakto,
gano'n,
ha?
no? Tsaka walang tinitignan na oras,
Oo.
ha?
Iba.
Thank you. Atleta pala to. Okay. Yan,
Happiness.
ma-happiness. Pwede ka magpalit, ha? Lagi namin ginagawa to.
Yes.
Kung gusto mo magpalit, ay hindi, iba to?
Oy!
Papalit.
Mamaya pa
Okay.
yun!
Sorry.
Game. Ano ba? Hindi, bawal judgment. Dancing queen pala tayo.
Eh, may seconds kasi.
Alright.
Go.
The happiness from the root word happy, always happy and always smiling. Kahit may problema, hindi ito tinitignan na problema. And I also love to inspire other people na be true to yourself and always remember God is good all the time. And by the way, my happiness will always loves chocolate.
Meron pa.
meron pa.
Ilang seconds.
Meron
Fun
pa.
fact.
Fun fact. Ano pa
And
mga fun
also,
fact?
aside from dancing, I also love singing. Mahilig po akong mag-karaoke.
Parinig
Kaya-
naman. Ako, may
Parinig.
3 seconds pa.
Dali, may 3
Ay,
seconds.
wag na,
Wala
napalawan
na.
na.
Wala na. Kanina
Ay,
pa
sayang. Sinadya mo
Gabitin
yan.
naman kami doon.
Eh, kasi wala nang time
Dapat
eh.
sa umpisa pa lang sinabi mo, para nagamit mo yun.
Gusto mo bang gawin yung natitirang time nila?
Bawang ihiram! Hindi pwede bang hiram. Pero thank you,
Maraming
ma-happiness.
salamat, ma-happiness.
Thank you.
Pwede pala yun offset sa oras.
Yes. Ayan ako, maraming salamat sa ating mga dancing queens. Mamaya kikilalanin pa namin kayo through your dance.
At mga Dabber God, dalawang challenge ang gagamitin nila. Yung Vibe Rock Baby Rock ng 2022 version, yung yung Express Yourself. Yan po yung mga ginagawa nila ngayon.
Dalawa yung gagawin nila ngayon. Kaya mga Dabber God, samahan pa natin ang queens sa final challenge nila dito sa Grand Finals na Dancing Queen!
And ito na nga, we're back in the grand finals of Dancing
Queen!
Eto na to, guys. Back-to-back ang challenge natin ngayon. Una, okay, the first part of their challenge, Rock Baby Rock 2022 version. Kailangan mapantayan o mahigitan ng Queens ang performance ng ating OG DC Queen na si Maha.
Pwede ba yun?
Talaga
First part
ba?
pa lang yun, Ma'am Alan, ha?
Dapat mahigitan?
Eh,
Or mapantayan.
sa abot ng makakaya nila.
Oh, sige. Second, ang Express Yourself Challenge. Original performance ito. Choice ng Queen ng music, dance genre, overall look to express through their dance who they are and why they should be the dancing queen.
Yun ang hirap nun, Ma'am Ala. Walang sali-salita. Sasagot sila sa
Oo.
question and answer portion.
Correct.
Ito pa ang mas mahirap at isa sa mga pinaka-challenging parts ng competition dahil kasabayan na masusubok ng Queens ang powerful set of judges. Yun o!
Excited ako.
Excited talaga tayo. Ito pa lang.
ako.
Joining us from Las Vegas, Nevada, artistic director, stage performer, acrobatic choreographer to Michael Jackson, Miley Cyrus, Jennifer Lopez, and Madonna, Johanna Sapaki.
Hi, Joanna. Welcome back.
Hello. I'm glad to be here.
Yes. Nice to have you once again.
Thank you.
At itong ating second judge.
Yes, our second judge, fresh from her win, which brought back the crown to the Philippines Miss International Queen 2022, Fusha and Ravenna.
Welcome!
Thank you, Fusha. And welcome to Eat Bulaga. Our third judge, zooming from New York City, singer, actress, television host, and drag performer. From RuPaul's Drag Race All-Stars, Jiggly Caliente.
Hi, Jiggly!
Hello, Jiggly. Welcome to Eat Bulaga.
Unmute, please. There you go. How are you, Jiggly?
I'm good. I'm good.
Welcome to Eat Bulaga. Okay, get ready for our dancing queens. And next judge.
Our fourth judge, one of GMA's Kapuso primetime leading men, dancer, singer, actor. Ito na nga ang tinatawag na triple threat.
Triple threat.
Ito na, Dabarkads, Raver Crew.
Thank you very much, Raver. And now our fifth judge, live from Los Angeles, California. Producer of world-class television events including the Oscars, Golden Globes, Billboard Music Awards, American Music Awards, and Miss Universe lang naman.
Grabe naman. Grabe yun.
Please welcome Asaf Bletcher. Hello, Asaf.
Where's Asaf?
Hi, Asaf. Welcome to Eat Bulaga.
Barkad! Kumusta kayo?
Mabuti!
Mabuti naman
And
po.
glad to have you back here also in Eat Bulaga, Asaf.
Thank you. I'm excited to be here with you. This is very, very exciting.
We are too. And to complete our lineup of judges, the OGDC Queen, Maha
Proud of you talaga.
Queen, have your seat now.
Welcome to Eat Bulaga, DC Queen.
All right, sa mga judges natin, we'd like to tell you welcome to Eat Bulaga po. And okay, for our I'd like to direct this to our first judges, no. I'd like to direct this question to Johanna
Miss
and
Johanna.
Asaf. Okay, maybe Asaf, you could answer this question as well.
And Jiggly?
And also to Jiggly. To our judges, we'd like to ask you, what are you expecting from our contestants and from our competition for today? Go ahead,
Start with
Joanna.
you, Miss Joanna.
I think what I'm looking for is a performer who's all around, has tons of great energy, amazing dancing, but also really unique performance, really makes the performance their own and brings something special.
Oh, unique performance.
Very unique performance. I think we have a lot of that, Joanna, so better get ready. And Asaf?
First, I want to say congratulations to all the finalists who are all amazing. So amazing. And I'm looking for the X Factor. The X Factor, I want to say MG. Oh my God. Amazing. And I'm excited to see all of them and to be excited.
Thank you.
Uy,
There you have
X-Factor.
it. Si Joanna, unique ang hinahanap. Si Asap, may X Factor.
May Eat Factor daw. EAT Factor.
Bulang-bulaga. Meron na agad yun.
Thank you very much, Asaf.
What about you, Jiggly? What are you looking for? What are you expecting?
I'm looking for the girl that brings, or the doll, or the queen that brings the most of themselves that show worthy of the 500,000 pesos that they're going to win.
Yeah, worthy.
Worthy.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, judges.
Ito naman.
Ito naman, para kay Fuchsia, kay Raver at kay Maha, ano na lang message nyo sa 5 maglalaban-laban na Dancing Queens? We start with Fuchsia.
Good luck po sa mga dancing queens and hope and I will see something exceptional and something queenly.
And congratulations sa'yo for winning Miss International Queen 2022. Raver!
Yes, ayun po. Siyempre gusto kong sabihin good luck sa mga queens natin. And of course, lahat kasi sila magagaling na eh. Gusto ko lang sabihin na sana mag-enjoy sila today. And excited ako mapanood kung sino yung pinaka-worthy na
Kalahating
queen talaga.
milyon yun.
Yun
And
din.
from the OG Dancing Queen, Maha, anong message mo sa kanila, Maha? Nakasama mo sila from day one.
I know,
Nakiiyak
Ma'am
ka.
AK. Hindi, nag-run ang Dancing Queen for almost 5 months. And Queens, this is it. Eto na yung araw nyo. Eto na yung last chance para ipakita kung sino talaga kayo. At excited akong makita kung paano nyo i-express ang inyong mga sarili. At i-embrace na kayo talaga ay mga queens.
Yun.
Thank you!
Thank you, DC Queen. Talaga nakaka-exciting ipapakita ng queens natin today. But as we always say, for every competition here in Eat Bulaga, it is challenging both for the contestants and the judges. Totoo yan, di ba? But to help you choose our future queen, here is our criteria for judging.
Ayan na, eto na.
Unang-una, personality and stage presence, 20%. And this is how the queens will project and express themselves on the stage.
Siyempre, kasama riyan ang choreography, 30%. This is about the dance precision, especially for the Rock Baby Rock Challenge.
Oh.
And creativity and style for the Express Yourself Challenge.
Hala, hindi lang kailangan mag-pay attention sa mandatory, kundi pati yung invento, excellent din.
Yes, kuya, hindi lang yan. Overall execution, 50%. This is about timing and coordination, overall concept, at yung linis ng performance. For a total of
100%! 100%?
100%?
Total na lang, kinonfirm pa.
Halika na guys! Simulan na natin to!
Eto na!
Good luck, queens and
Good
judges!
luck!
Ay, alamin na natin kung sino mauna.
Alamin na natin.
Kung sino
Teka,
kaya?
paano natin nga pala malalaman? Queen, paano natin malalaman kung sino mauuna? DC Queen.
Queen, si Mahan. Kasama
Andiyan si Mahan?
na.
Andito!
Andiyan ba siya?
Hindi ba?
Kayo na
Nakuha niya yung memo. Ayan.
Ayan siya, oh! Pumayat ng pumayat.
Kung sinong unang mabunot ni Mahan, siya ang buena mano.
Yeah.
Siya ang unang magpa-perform.
Hala, sino kaya?
Okay?
No! Bukas na lang kaya.
Hindi, ito na
Uy.
yun.
Today na ba po? Hala.
Alright, first up, for the grand finals of Dancing Queen, get ready to perform...
Happiness! Good luck, queen!
Nako, ano kaya ang hinanda ni Ma-Happiness? Kasi yung Rock Baby Rock, may idea na tayo.
Paano, yes.
Pero you express yourself, ooh! album for
Malalaman
that.
natin yan.
Okay,
Here we
yan ang
go.
pangalan. Sasagutin na yung tanong. Here we go. Get ready for...
Happiness!
Maraming pangyayari sa buhay ko na hindi nangyayari before. Super proud ako sa sarili ko na nakatapak ako sa Itbulaga and naging part ako ng Dancing Queen. There's a lot of things I sacrificed in my life in order for me to pursue my dreams and continue my passion in dancing. For my performance, it is about believing in yourself, dream high, and be true to yourself.
Do that. Because I want to be up there.
Let's go.
I want to do that.
Hold it. Cut it. Make me believe that you belong on that stage.
Beautiful.
Hold it. Cut it. Hold it. Cut it.
I want to be up there. Up there. I want to do that.
Let's go. Do you have the talent? Because you're on.
You want to show me something? Show me that.
It's a cold and crazy world that's raging outside. But baby, me and all my girls are bringing on the fire. It's a life, it's a style, it's a need, it's a the club looking for a good time, gonna make that shake that money on a dime.
Mga Dabarkats,
Kicking
mahappiness
off.
sa Caloocan City, Jem Ria Lopez.
Yun. Ay, si Jem nga pala. Itong si Mahappiness, dinededicate niya yung sayaw niya sa mga aspiring na mga dancing queen daw.
Like her, di ba?
Pasalamatan din natin yung backup niya, Fambellas.
Thank you, Fambellas.
Thank you.
Friends!
Hi, friends!
Hi,
How are
friend.
you?
Welcome. Yes.
Alamin natin kung nagustuhan ng mga judges yung performance ni Jem. Ayan, let's hear it from Miss Johanna.
You know, I think that you have the most perfect name because Your smile absolutely embodies happiness. As soon as you turned around at the very beginning of your number, you were full of joy, which makes you so fun to watch. And you are flexible. Oh my God. Oh wow, those lips and your express yourself portion. Wow.
Oh, di ba?
Thank you, Miss
Narinig mo?
Johanna.
Naniningil ka pa, collectible.
Ano ba? Hindi na naniningin. Flexible daw.
Flexible.
Fuchsia.
Hi, ma-happiness.
Hello.
I love your performance, pang world class, and I think na mas nagustuhan ko yung second performance you just enjoy it. I love it, and thank you so much for sharing your talent. Not just the beauty of being a queen, but the talented LGBTQIA+ community.
Oh, tuloy. Maraming salamat, mga judges.
Thank you.
And thank you, Dan.
Thank you so much.
Ma-happiness, kamusta?
Ayun, super
Nakaraos
pagod.
na.
Yes, finally.
Meron pang isang challenge eh.
Ano raw? Wala na! No more challenge na. Ito na yun.
Laban lang. Go. Maraming salamat sa mga judges natin.
Thank
Friends.
you.
Thank you very much. Ma-happiness ng Caloocan. Maraming salamat sa iyong paunang performance dito sa ating Grand
Pabuena
Finals ng
mano.
Dancing
May
Queen.
apat na queens pa.
Eto na nga! Bubunot na ulit tayo. Ikaw naman, Beauty, bubunot.
Alright.
Mahan, please.
Mahan, who's next?
Eto na!
Ano kaya?
Ang susunod na magper-perform ay...
Si Mahastig.
Wala na!
Tapos na ba?
On
Wala na
stage,
si Matik na ang friend.
Excited ako.
Sino ang?
for Dancing Queen Grand Finals, get ready to perform...
Mahakit Akit!
Napakahalaga po na tinatanggap po ako ng ibang tao. Kasi ayun po ang nagbibigay lakas at talento sa akin. I'm struggling for acceptance, and I just want to tell the world that being part of LGBTQ is not easy. At kung anumang scars natin sa buhay, we are all beautiful.
Mga Dabarkads, maakit-akit ng Bulacan, Drixie Kunag with the folk jumpers. Thank you very much.
Grabe.
Statement.
Trixie, you are beautiful just the way you are.
Yeah. Naman.
Gusto mo kantahin ko?
Po?
Gusto mo kantahin ko?
Sige. You are also beautiful just the way you are.
yung mensahe nung kanyang Express Yourself Challenge.
Oo.
Yung palang gusto niya nang humingi ng acceptance para
Yes.
sa mga kasapi ng LGBTQ community. Thank you, Drixie.
Thank you.
Okay, so alamin natin kung ano masasabi ng ating mga judges pa. Let's start with Jiggly.
Hi, Jiggly.
Hi!
Can I call you Jiggly? Ano masasabi mo? Oh, ba't naiiyak ka?
First of all, I think that it is so powerful that you chose a song like Beautiful for acceptance for the LGBT community, especially in the Philippines where sometimes our brown skin is still not the beauty standard, and I feel that it should be. So I really am proud of the fact that you did that. I also love the fact that at the Rock Baby Rock portion of your number, you inserted your own personal flair in the routine. And that is like, you got the choreo, but to add your own personal flair and keep up with it, beautiful. And also plus for the fact that you did a lyrical contemporary dance and were completely in sync with your backup too. That says a lot about a queen because you can handle it being in front and the fact that you can keep up with the dancers, slay.
Kayang-kaya din ni Jiggly yun eh.
Kaya, oo naman. Siyempre naman.
Diba?
Correct.
Thank you, Jiggly.
Thank you, Jiggly. Meron pa tayong judge na magsasalita din. Si Raver
Hey,
Cruz.
Raven. How about you, sir?
Mahakit-akit. Grabe. Wala akong masabi. Nung paglabas mo pa lang, napaka-explosive ng performance. Yung napaka-emotional ng performance mo. And kitang-kita naman ang lahat na nanonood yung message na pinakita mo. And beautiful performance. You were beautiful today. And naakit ako sa performance mo. Galing mo.
Thank you po.
Yung ibang sumasayaw, kailangan habila. O pag sumayaw tayo, kailangan malinis ang sayaw. Ito nagdumi.
Dumihan mo yung sayaw. Pero ano nga inspiration mo dun sa...
sa ginawa
bakit
mo.
yun yung Express Yourself number mo?
To be honest po, kwento ko po yun from past.
Which is?
Sobrang worst po kasi talaga nung naging kwento ko nung past. So, I'm struggling for acceptance sa mga people, sa mga tao pong nakapaligid sa akin. And, nung po sa first dance ko po, parang nag-struggle po ako sa acceptance po ng tao. And then, hanggang sa nag-decide na po ako na ito yung flaws ko.
Ito ka.
And then, may tumulong po. And then, at the end of the day, naging queen po ako and may naka-appreciate na po ng flaws ko.
Very good.
Maraming salamat.
Wala kayong pake.
Oo. Magkakalat ako dito. Maraming salamat, mahakit-akit. Mga friends,
Thank you very much, friends. Maraming salamat, Drixie Kunag, ang mahakit-akit ng Bulacan. Number 3 na tayo!
Ikaw naman, Min!
Nakaka-proud ng mga queens!
Mahan!
Ate Fizz! Kung bababa.
Eto na, our third queen to perform.
Number 3 on the dance floor for Dancing Queen Grand Finals. Get ready for...
Mahanap-hanapin!
Super sarap po sa pakiramdam na makilala as a dancing queen here in Itbulaga dahil napatunayan ko sa sarili ko na matatapos ko to at lalaban ako. ako sakali, kaya natutunan ko pong mag-survive. Dapat po lahat tayo natututong lumaban dahil dito tayo magtatagumpay.
Kasama ang Ruthless Comrades, ang inyong natunghayan ay si Dancing Queen number 3, Mahanap-hanapin ng Rizal. Thank you, Mahanap-hanapin.
Thank you.
Nakatatlo na tayo.
Tatlo na natin.
Yes.
I wonder
Pero-
what our judges think, no? Tingnan natin. Friends, kamustahin natin ang judges.
Eto na nga.
Alamin muna natin yung masasabi ni ang ating Hollywood producer, si Asaf Bletcher. Hi, Asaf. What can you say about Mahanap-hanapin?
Are you sure your name is Mahanap-hanapin and not J-Lo?
Oh, di ba? English answer. Charot.
Oh my God. The hands, the strength, the style, the outfit. That was spectacular. Oh my God. You should be so proud. You're amazing. You are amazing. I couldn't believe it.
Thank you so much po. Thank you so much.
Oh, Toroy, J-Lo daw. How about our OG? Thank you, Asaf.
Eto
How
na.
about our OG DC Queen?
Ayan, si DC Queen yan.
Maha. Ano masasabi mo sa animalistic?
Mahanap-hanapin.
Mahanap-hanapin.
Doon muna tayo sa Rock Baby Rock challenge. Talaga naman, may konting parang akala ko pa struggle, pero ang maganda doon, nakita kong in-enjoy mo yung Rock Baby Rock dance challenge. Tapos, mula umpisa hanggang natapos, nakangiti ka. Kasi ganun yung kwento, yung storya ng Rock Baby Rock. Masaya, mag-enjoy, di ba? With your partner. And then, nung eto na, yung Express Yourself challenge naman, pinatunayan mong isa kang queen. Queen of the jungle.
Thank you so much po.
Talagang sobrang powerful. Talagang habang nagsasayaw ka, rinig na rinig ko ang
Yes.
pag-roar
Pero,
ng puso mo.
May mga ganun eh, no?
Kaya congratulations.
Thank you so much po.
Thank you.
Buti nga natapos agad yung music, kundi mangangagat na talaga.
Oh, at saka papunta na rito yung isang friend natin.
Correct, yung kasama.
Oo. Thank you, Mahanap-hanapin.
Thank you, judges.
And thank you, judges. Come on, friends.
Thank you, friends.
Eto na.
Eto na, number 3 done. Number 4! Mahan, we are ready.
Ikaw naman, Miles.
Miles.
Yes? Ngayon na ba to? Bukas na lang kaya?
Hindi pwede.
Yun. Bago natin basahin si number 4, ito pa lang si number 3, nating grand finalist, si Mahanap-hanapin ng Rizal. Dinededicate niya yung sayaw niya
Performance
kanina.
niya.
Yung performance niya sa kanyang sarili at sa kanyang ina. So thank you very much.
That's for you, mother.
Mahanap-hanapin. Pero eto na!
Eto na! Kanino naman kaya i-dedicate ng ating fourth performer ang kanyang performance?
Dapper Cats, get ready for grand finalist number 4,
I am very, very grateful and humble. I am the only soldier who is actually competing and vying for the first ever Dancing Queen.
Rock, baby, rock. Rock, baby, rock. Rock, baby, rock.
True queen knows not only how to struck, but to construct unity and acceptance to a world where every dances is an art of peace and love. I dedicate this to all trans community. Come with me and let's dance together, because you are not just dancing alone. We are on this together.
I am my own special creation.
Madison Ray Lucido, ang mahalipayan ng Bohol along with FADC and A-Team, who are representing the whole of Visayas.
Yes.
Bohol.
Gusto ko yung slogan nila dito, Sukol mga Bisaya!
Ano ulit ibig sabihin ng Sukol, Beauty?
Laban Bisaya!
Fight Visaya!
Representing not just Bohol, but the whole of Visayas.
Yes.
Sabi
Thank you very
niya.
much, Mahalipayon. Ano kaya ang masasabi ng judges?
Friends!
Thank you, friends. Tanungin natin ang acrobatic choreographer and artistic director, Miss Joanna Sapaki. Hi, Miss Joanna.
Wow, what a fantastic performance. What I loved in the first section is you had this incredible combination of power and also elegance in the way you moved. It was just beautiful to see. And that second section, the Express Yourself section, was so creative. You used your props and the dancers around you so well. It was interesting and different, and I loved it. So congratulations, great work.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Galing.
Thank you, Miss Johanna. How about you, ang ating kapuso primetime leading man, Raver?
Yes, mahali pa yun. Ang masabi ko lang, ang tagal ko na kasing nakasayaw si DC Queen. And kuwang-kuha mo yung pagka-graceful niya.
No.
Yung first part, ang hirap kasi mag-ballroom and yung mga points mo and everything and yung linis ng galaw nandun. Tapos yung second part, napaka-powerful. Nagulat ako sa mga props na ginamit mo, napaka-creative. And then yung...
Ang daming laman ng bulsa ng mga ano.
Ang daming nangyari.
Hindi sa'yo ang ginawa niya. Magician talaga yun.
Ang daming nangyari
Oh,
sa
it's a
production
magic.
number mo. And ang galing, hindi ko in-expect. Ang galing.
Thank you, Mr. Raver.
Thank you to our judges.
Isa na lang, ha?
Ha? Meron pa?
Meron pang isa.
Ay, congrats, ha?
One last pa.
Go, friends.
Bubunot pa.
Go, Ryan! Ikaw naman.
Last but not the least!
Ayan na!
Thank you very much, Mahan. Here we go to light up the stage
yung energy
of
nila
Eat Bulaga. Ngayong Dancing Queens Grand Finals. Get ready for
This is my goal in life, to inspire people, to inspire children. I want others to see what I can do or what can I share in the whole Philippines or in the whole world.
Rock, baby, rock. Rock, baby, rock. Rock, baby, rock.
Let's go, Pete.
May dalawang mahalagang bagay sa buhay ko. Ang pagsasayaw na naging kulay para maabot ko ang mga pangarap ko. At ang inspirasyon ko, ang nanay kong nagpalaki sa akin na siyang dahilan kung bakit ako lumalaban.
That was the first part of the final performance ng ating Mahadayaw na si Mahadayaw from Davao. Okay, ngayon nagre-ready tayo sa second part.
Second part.
Second part. And gusto lang paalam ni Mahadayaw na ang performance niya ay para sa taong nagpalaki sa kanya at tumayong ina.
Yun na
Bilang
nga.
pasasalamat.
Eto na siya. Mahadayaw with CCTV!
natin ang tayong laging nakikita. Miss na kita sobra. Dahil ang aking mata sa tingin mo'y nag-iilaman ng aking pag-ibig. Ikaw ang makikinig ang mata at anak. Pahinga muna, ako na. Huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata na. Pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Pasalabis ang iyong nagawa, mama. Pahinga muna, ako na. La-tara-tara, la-tara-tara, la-tara-tara-tara, la-tara-la-ta. La-tara-tara, la-tara-tara, la-tara-tara-tara, la-tara-la-ta. Pahinga muna, ako na.
Thank you very much. Mahadayaw ng Davao. Muah Dayaw.
Ang dami ng statement, ha?
Tsaka the show must go on, di ba?
Yes.
Naman.
Oo. So maraming salamat, Dancing Queen number 5, Mahadayaw ng Davao. Friends, kamusta kayo dyan?
Tinanggal naman pala talaga niya yung hair.
Oo.
Akala namin na...
Yes po, kasi sa lahat ng queens na nandito from daily to weekly, inaamin ko po, ako lang po yung ganitong hair. Kasi inaamin ko sa buong Pilipinas na kahit ano ka man, kahit sino ka man, tanggap ka ng lipunan, walang masama sa'yo. Yun lang po.
Alan,
Alan, pakitranslate mo naman, Alan.
Alan.
Alan, pakitranslate mo naman sa mga judge natin.
Ano daw? Bas kung ano ka man. Kung
Hindi,
sino...
English sila, ano, yung mga...
Kila Miss Johanna, kila
Oo.
Jiggly and Asa.
Kayo naman, oo.
Tanggap naman daw, tanggalin
Hindi
mo
nyo
na.
naman sinabi kaagad. To the judges who wouldn't understand Tagalog, what Mahadaya was saying is that wherever you are, whatever you are, and whatever you do, no one needs to judge.
But
Okay?
they are judges for
Oh,
today.
no one can judge you. Yun lang yun. Balik to you, friends.
Thank you, Alan King. Eto, from RuPaul's Drag Race All-Stars, Jiggly. Ano masasabi mo kaya Mahadayaw? Tagalogin mo naman para ano?
What?
Tagalogin mo.
Can you speak in Tagalog?
Oo, magaling mag-Tagalog yan, no?
Talaga?
Oo, marunong ko mag-Tagalog.
Oh, yun pala!
Go.
Okay, kaya lang, delikado ang Tagalog ko. So, I'm just gonna keep it in English so that I know how to keep it PG.
Yeah, English na lang, go.
The number that she did, let's just address the elephant in the room. The hair fell off. But I'm glad that you are the definition of the show must go on. You didn't let it phase you. You recovered. And, you know, actually, if anything, that's what a true entertainer is. Your recovery was well. And the athleticism of your second number, my God, that was amazing. And I also love that, you know, that is a very technical dance, and I was glad that you were able to pull that off, despite the, you know, it's all good. And I feel like you really did, you know, rise to the occasion and make your dance what it was, and it was beautiful to watch. So thank you for that.
And thank you, Jiggly. How about you, Asa? What can you say about Alan Kay?
No, hindi si Alan.
Oh, not Alan Kay. Mahadayaw. Sorry.
I have to say, wow. I don't care. Long, short hair.
Wow.
You got me so emotional. The first song was amazing. You rocked it. It was amazing. But the second one got to me. I love you. I love you. You're an inspiration. And I said in the beginning, I'm looking for the Bulaga factor, and you have everything. You are amazing.
Ay. Thank you, Asap.
Bigat.
You have everything. Nasa tumba na yan.
Oo. Hindi, tsaka buti na lang, ikaw yung last na nabuno.
Oo, bakit?
Kung hindi, nabaldog-baldog yung mga sumunod, dami mong kinalat na mga kling-kling-kling.
Yung mga beats ng mga damit mo dahil. Maraming salamat.
Thank you,
Mga Dayaw.
judges, also.
And thank you to our judges. Come on, friends.
Friend!
Congratulations, Queens! Ano na?
5 na silang nakita natin. Pero medyo medyo yung mga sinasabi ng ating mga judges talagang malaman.
Pero iba-iba yung pananaw nila. Tulad ng pananaw ko rin. Ako may winner na ako eh. Ito.
Meron na?
Bakit siya?
Well deserved.
Ay, kasi iba siya eh. Iba siya sa lahat.
Pero ito. Hingin natin ng huling mensahe ang
Final
ating
message.
OG DC Queen para sa kanyang mga grand finalists. DC Queen
Maha!
Maha, may pahuling mensahe ka ba?
Sa ating Maha wannabe, sa ating mga queens, sobrang proud ako sa inyo. Lalo na yung Express Yourself Challenge. Talagang iba't ibang kwento. Hindi kayo natakot i-share kung sino kayo. Hindi kayo natakot ipakita kung sino kayo, kung ano yung nararamdaman nyo, kung ano yung gusto nyong iparating sa lahat. Sobrang nakaka-proud. And again, thank you, Itbulaga, sa paggawa ng ganitong segment para sa ating exceptional individuals. Queens, kung sino man ang manalo, matalo sa puso ko, kayong 5, lahat kayo na nandito, lahat na naging contestants ng Dancing Queen, kayo ay mga queens. But sa ating 5 Maha wannabes, again, sobrang proud ako and I love you all.
Let's all give a big hand to our OG DC Queen, Maha Salvador. Thank you very much, Maha. Now the challenge is on for our judges. Who will be Itbulaga's Dancing Queen and winner of $500,000 pesos? Ang talo! Ang tanong, Dabarkad, sino ang uuwing panalo ng ₱250,000 at ng title na Dancing Queen? Mga Dabarkads, presenting to you our Dancing Queen Grand Finalists. Maraming salamat, Queens.
Thank you, Queens. At ngayong maraming salamat na sa Queens na nag-audition, sumali at nagtiwala sa Itbulaga para ipakita ang inyong talento at galing. At kaya-kaya nyong abutin ang inyong mga pangarap.
Totoo yan. This is thank you rin sa mga pamilya, supporters, and of course, backup dancers ng ating Final 5 Queens.
And most of all, thank you to our judges, acrobatic choreographer and artistic director, Joanna Sapaki.
Thank you!
Thank you, Joanna. What can you say? Did you enjoy?
Did you enjoy our show?
This show was amazing. Every single one of these girls should be absolutely proud of themselves. They really showed their very best tonight. It was phenomenal.
Thank you, Miss Joanna. Miss International Queen 2022, Fuchsia Ann Ravenna.
Ayun o, ganda.
RuPaul's Drag Race All-Stars, Jiggly Caliente.
Jiggly, nag-enjoy ka ba?
Did you enjoy, Jiggly?
I just want to say, ang gagaling niyo, girls. Talagang mga reyna kayo ng dancing. And I'm so proud to watch this and judge you girls. And please, sa lahat sa inyo, manood kayo po ng starting August 17, Drag Race Philippines.
Yes! Hosted by
With a very own
Friend ko yan.
Kapuso primetime leading man, Raver Cruz.
Hi guys, thank you Eat Bulaga for having me. Nag-enjoy ako sa Dancing Queen. Good luck, girls.
Love you! And Hollywood producer, Asaf Bletcher. Asaf, how was your day? Did you enjoy the show?
Oh my God, that's amazing. Thank you, Bulaga, for having me. I love you guys. It was inspiring. You all winners. You all amazing. But come on. Won. Tell me who won?
You're amazing as well, Asaf. And of course, our Dizzy Queen, Ma Salvador! Paano ulit?
Ready na kami, Queen. Ikaw ba, ready ka na?
I'm always ready, kuya. Kayo, Dabarkads! Ready na ba kayong malaman kung sino ang first ever Dancing Queen?
Gusto nyo na bang malaman?
Mamaya na.
Gusto nyo na ba?
Mamaya na.
Kami rin.
Uy,
Gusto
yung iba
na rin naman
kamag-anak-
namin malaman. Ano
Yung
yun?
iba kamag-anak pala nila nandyan din, yung mga dancing queen natin.
Oo.
Talagang
Talagang
nanay, nandyan din.
Mga family, mga supporters. Yung iba may jowa dyan.
Hoy, thank you rin tayo sa mga marites sa kanilang mga legit na mga chismis. Mga chika nila.
Thank you. Ma'am AK! Ma'am AK! Bago
Almeda
natin...
and Cuenco Twins.
Uy!
Thank you for coming.
Ma'am AK! Bago tayo mag-announce ng winner, yung suot ko kaninang opening, gusto ko lang magpasalamat. Of course, styled by Kat. Sir Val Taguba, maraming salamat. And kay Riri at sa aking glam team, thank you so much, guys. And Eric Beltran, thank you so much.
Ako din. I'd like to thank my outfit. Thank you, outfit. Ayan na!
Parang may kulang pa dyan eh.
Ano kulang?
Kulang dito.
Kulang ba?
Eto na! Malalaman na natin! The envelope, please! Mahand!
Let's go, Mahand!
Oy, si Mahand nagpaano ba yan?
Wala pa bang reveal kay
Pinapatagal ang exposure ni Mahand.
Sa season 2 na. Sino ang mananalo ng 500,000 pesos?
It's in my hand! Ganito mangyayari ha. Sabay-sabay nating sabihin lahat. Pagkabukas. Okay?
Naku, yoko dyan.
With an average score of 84%. Ay, hindi, mali. Binuksan mo eh. Pinuti-unti mo eh. 95.84%.
On taas! Hala.
Taas.
Naku, sino kaya yan? Nila yun, nervous ako. Nervous ako.
Ba't ka ba umiiyak?
Sino? Sino gusto nyo? Sino gusto nyo?
Sa gawin dito, sino? Sino?
Dito! Sino gusto niyo?
Jigli, ikaw, sino?
Eto naman!
Asap, gusto mo ba si Alan Kay? Sorry.
The winner of $500,000 plus the bragging rights of being the first ever Dancing Queen of Eat Bulaga present the crown and the sign.